What if 20 fruits could rebuild your entire body from the inside? It all starts with apples. Nature's first repair system. They support your heart and clean your bloodstream. Every bite triggers a healing reaction in your body. Your arteries respond with improved blood flow. Now strawberries. Tiny but powerful. They enhance brain power and memory. Packed with microscopic healing compounds. Oranges flood your body with vitamin C. Your skin begins to repair itself. Bananas power your muscles instantly. Potassium stabilizes your energy levels. Your strength increases naturally. Energy becomes smoother and longer lasting. Blueberries protect your brain cells. Your mind becomes sharper. Every cell gets antioxidant defense. Grapes cleanse your internal system. Your brain becomes more active. Your liver becomes more efficient. Pineapple activates deep digestion support. Your stomach feels lighter. Mango brings golden healing energy. Your skin begins glowing naturally. Watermelon hydrates every cell. This makes it very important for your immune system. Your heart feels efficient, cooler, and calmer, making it more active. Kiwi, I guess one of your favorite fruits, boosts immunity instantly, thereby making your defenses get stronger like never before. Pomegranate, being a very good fruit for your blood, rebuilds your blood strength. Helping your blood circulation improves dramatically. Sweet cherries helps to slow down aging effects. therefore helping your bones grow stronger. The almighty avocado feeds your brain and heart. Making bad cholesterol begins to drop. Papaya, one of my favorites, improves digestion naturally. Hereby helping your gut becomes balanced. At the same time, lemon cleanses your entire system. It helps in making toxins start flushing out. On the other hand, coconut water restores hydration. Making it easier for your nerves to become balanced. Figs does a great job by improved digestion flow. Fruit combinations amplify several factors, including healing. Super energy merges inside your body. A full fruit explosion of health begins. Thereby making your body starts rebuilding itself instantly. And you feel even more stronger almost immediately. And your immune shield activates instantly. Forcing fatigue to completely disappear. Cells begin to repair rapidly. Your skin begins to transform itself. All of your body organs synchronize. And fruits orbit your life like energy planets. Meanwhile, your DNA responds to nutrition. Improving your health to reach its maximum level. While your mind and body become one strong system. At this point, nature heals you completely. Your energy level reaches its peak fusion. And now your body becomes fully regenerated. At the end, here's a new human powered by nature. From fruit to body to universe. Everything connects. 20 fruits. One perfect body. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.